Wait, where? Oh, there's the DRZ. It's your new home. Well, these are gonna have to go.
You're gonna hold this up?
Alright guys, it's time to finally take apart the ruckus. Hell yeah. I'm stoked. I got the rims coated today. Can't wait to see how it turns out. Let's try it now.
Turn it on?
Yeah, turn it on, rev it. Do it. Oh, turn it off, what the fuck? Sounds like Tara's fucking scooter.
Pretty much.
I have no idea how hard it is to get a ruckus wheel off. Guess we got out the impact driver. Hopefully we can get it off. This is gonna be fucking difficult. I got the rim set up. I got the tire. Hopefully we get that on. So let's go.
Are you serious?
What?
It won't fucking come off!
What the fuck? Oh yeah. Let's just run it like that, it's fine.
Oh yeah.
We don't even need to change anything. Fucking right. So Chris here was trying to take the fucking bolt out for like half an hour. And then I just go up and I just try it once and it comes right out.
It's not even fucking fair, like...
She looks mint though. It's not offset at all. I think I can drive it.
Oh yeah. How do you make it centered?
I'm getting along. It's working. Brakes still look pretty good.
Yeah, I got a booty up. You said that you was tripping, but I heard that's a lie. Bitch, bake soda, cold water, cut the stove on, scrape the side.
The rest in peace.
Skinny bitch, cause I like a fat ass and thighs.
She's moving. She's moving alright. Looks like I'm not doing everything because I'm the only one recording.
Fuck.
Fuck.